September, which may be up to 10% of your pot, but limited to 30,000 rands, just as I was explaining. By way of an example, if your current total retirement savings before implementation day is 100,000, you will be able to transfer up to 10,000, which is the 10% of 100,000, to your new savings pot. If, however, you have 1 million saved, you will only be allowed to transfer 30,000 rand. The cap of 30,000 rand is not expected to create a massive liquidity challenge for current funds when financing the savings pot from the vested pot, right? From the implementation date, 1/3 of your total annual contribution will go to your saving pot, meaning any money that now will be deducted for Provident Fund or Pension Fund from the 1st of September, 1/3 of that money will be going to the